This is Blake discovering the toy aisle. He has the say-so. Which way are we going? Grandma's just following him. He's looking at everything.
Megan's available. Customer chaotic. Customer service, please. Customer chaotic. Customer service.
Step on it.
You like that? There's so much to look at. You don't even know which way to go. So much to see. She's checking it all out. Aren't you? Oh, you found some Elmo stuff. You find some Elmo stuff? This is Blake window shopping. Ernie? Is that Ernie?
Elmo.
Elmo.
Mama.
You push it? Push a button? Here, do this one. That one's dead. Try this one. What the hey? Press that one. See if that works. Woo! Oh, it's not singing. Batteries must be dead. Push? Push the button. Push the button. Push hard. Oh, what the hey? That shouldn't be that hard.
Make bath time so much fun.
Push hard. Push. Push the duck. Wow, shouldn't be that hard to push. Good thing you're trying it out first, right? Gotta make sure it all works right. Where are you going? What do you see? Oh, big trucks. Look at the big trucks. Those are nice. He's checking stuff out. It's so dang cute. Uh-huh. See, he's trying to make up his mind. What do you see up there? Somebody driving the truck? Want to go look at the other aisle? Let's go look this way, see if there's anything else. Oh, what's that?